Alright, we got another unboxing video. This time it's the Redragon Vampire Elite Wireless Gaming Mouse. And right off the bat, I'm very happy that it's a wireless mouse. And I really don't like wires, so it's a plus. I know many of you are going to say, but wired mouses aren't reliable. Well, in my personal experience, this mouse hasn't disconnected me nor died on me once. The mouse has a very circular design, given at the fact that the thumb rest is pretty wide. The on and off and the eco switch are at the bottom. The eco mode is for the RGB to be off and for the mouse to still be able to function. Of course, you take the USB wireless dongle thingy in. I'm not too sure about the name, but you plug it in and then the mouse is basically plug and play. Mine's own came pre-charged with 80% battery in, however I just plugged it in and waited about an hour and it was already at 100%. There's also 3 buttons to the side that came pre-configured as well, but I'm planning to change mine to suit my needs a little bit better. The mouse has a 1600 DPI, which is ungodly and extremely sensitive. I'll be plugging it in and hopping into some matches to see how the mouse deals, plays, and fares. So now to turn it on, all you have to do is move the switch down and the RGB turns on. When in streaming mode, it just basically shows the whole entire colors of the rainbow. The bottom part also illuminates, which I find pretty nice. The 2 top switches changes the DPI. Fun fact, when the DPI changes, the color also changes. Majority of the weight in the mouse is more so in the back. There's also 2 rubber grips to help hold on to the mouse for long periods of gameplay. I really like this. My last mouse didn't have any rubber to the sides and it started to look pretty broke down, worn out, and pretty disgusting, I'm not going to lie. Even though the mouse is wireless, you could still use the wire charger to use as a corded mouse, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of it. However, if it's dead, you could use that potentially. I'll be showing off the RGB with the lights off, and I'll be showing you what different modes look like when you change the DPI. So to indicate when the DPI is changed, the scroll wheel changes a different color. Red means it's at 1000 DPI, blue means it's at 2000, green means 4K, yellow is 8K, and orange is 16,000 DPI. I mostly use red and blue since there is no possible physical reason for me in order to have 16,000 DPI. Maybe for trick shotters, they have a use for it, but for me, a casual gamer, I don't really have a use for it. So, I would definitely rate this mouse a 10 out of 10, especially with all the features it comes with. You can change just about every last single button on it to suit your needs, and you can also pick whatever color you want. You could also just leave it at streaming mode if you just prefer that, depending on what your setup is. Also, the mouse clicking isn't obnoxiously loud, and it has a pretty nice design of the mouse. So, is this mouse worth $40? Yes, definitely. It costs $40 on Amazon, and I will definitely get this mouse if you need a good budget wireless gaming mouse. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. Please give this video a like and share with your friends. A lot more Redragon stuff will be coming, and I'm about to go record another video. Well, farewell and see you guys later.